Hello everyone and good morning. How are you doing? So actually I'm gonna just explain to you a little bit what happened. This is my second day in Paris. I reached Thursday night. It was midnight, so I didn't vlog much. Went home like directly. You have to know that I didn't rent anything. It's just a friend that borrowed us their apartment. So of course I cannot show you anything because it's not mine. But other than that, we spent yesterday the day just going around and just running some errands and the things that I had my first appointment for the Invisalign treatment that I'm so excited to start. So we just have been talking about how it will go, and like actually it's not, the name is not Invisalign. Like it's another brand that will do that will do exactly the same, half of the price, which is exactly what I was looking for. Because I don't know about you guys, but here the Invisalign treatment is around, like the cost of it is around 5,000 euros, and I found this one that it's half the price literally, so it's 2,500 euros. No, like I cannot compare. It's exactly what I was looking for. It goes with my budget, and the most important thing is that I don't have much to do. I just want to change some little things, and I want to close this hole here, and it will take 1 year, no more, like 1 year, 2 months as they explained to me. So we will check everything today because I have another appointment at 7 p.m. and they will be explaining to me everything, and they will give me the first set, so I will use it for the first month, and they will keep sending me home the rest of the sets. So I'm so happy, I'm so excited, and I cannot wait to start the treatment. And I will be taking you with me throughout the whole process, so I will be able to show you how it goes, how they will be explaining to me how they do everything. Anyways, other than that, today we will spend the day like going around Paris. This is not the first time I come here, so we'll go for a brunch and we'll walk around and spend the day in Paris. And the most important thing is that it's so sunny, the weather is so nice. It feels like it's summer, which I cannot complain about it. That's it. Just to let you know, same sunglasses, these ones, they are from Primark. My earrings, they are from AliExpress. My dress is from Mango. It's such a beautiful dress. I don't know, I hope I talked about everything. Now I'm so hungry, so let's go for brunch, guys. See you later.
Au niveau du bar, les boissons chaudes, citronades, les carabes sont à disposition, vous pouvez les prendre directement sur table. Le jus d'orange est là, et vous avez donc le buffet en haut ici. Il y a du chaud, du froid, du sucré, du salé, des plats végétariens, il y a plein de choses.
baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.